Hi, I'm Rhiannon from BBQ Spit Rotisseries, and today I'm going to show you how to cook the most amazing pork ribs in the Flaming Coals Texas Offset Smoker. Today we're cooking with two rubs that I think go perfect with pork ribs. As a base layer, we have the Kosmos Q Killer Honeybee, which is nice and sweet. And then to top it off, we're using the Butcher's Axe Ranger Rub, which we'll put on as a top layer to provide an amazing red colour. The first step to prepare the pork ribs is to remove any excess fat that may be along the top. If you're happy with the amount of fat that's on there, flip them over and remove the membrane. Okay, so we've had these pork ribs in the Flaming Coal Smoker for 4 hours and they're probing like butter. So it's time to unwrap them and hit them with a nice douse of Flaming Coal's Sweet Honey Barbecue Sauce. These pork ribs have been thrown back into the smoker for the sauce to set for about 30 minutes and they're done. Can't wait to dig in. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.